In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Shopee account and make a simple update to your username. Whether you're new to Shopee or just looking to update your information, I'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure it's a smooth and easy experience. First, let's start by heading over to the Shopee website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in Shopee's URL. Once the web page loads, you'll be greeted by Shopee's colorful and inviting homepage. From here, the next step is to proceed to your personal profile. Don't worry, it's all quite straightforward. In the top right corner of the homepage, you'll notice a profile icon. Click on it. This will take you to a drop-down menu with several options. Here, you're going to select My Account. This is the section where you can view and update all your personal details associated with your Shopee account. It's essentially the control center for your account settings. Now that you're on the My Account page, direct your attention to the username field. You should see your current username displayed here. If for any reason you want to change it, for a fresh start, or just to update to something that suits you better, this is the right place to do so. Simply click on your username and you'll be able to start typing in the new name you wish to use. It's that simple. Ensure it's something unique and representative of you. Sometimes you might find certain names are already taken, so having a few alternatives in mind is always a good idea. Once you've settled on your new username, make sure to save your changes. There's typically a save button or something similar on the page to finalize your updates. This step is crucial because if it's not saved properly, you might lose the changes you've made. And who wants to redo steps? It's always a good practice to double check afterward to confirm that your new username has been updated successfully throughout the account. And just like that, you're done. You've navigated through Shopee's profile settings and successfully changed your username. It's a small change, but it's part of customizing your shopping experience to reflect your personal preferences. Remember, keeping your account details current and personalized not only enhances your experience, but also helps in maintaining account security. If you run into any issues, Shopee's customer service is quite helpful, and you can always reach out to them for additional support. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you now feel more confident managing your Shopee account. Be sure to check out more tutorials if you're new to online shopping or just want to optimize your digital lifestyle.